Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to create a look and I'm really excited to try these Nudies by Nudestix. I bought them during the 21 days of Ulta sale. So I bought these two and I'm really excited to try it out. So in today's video, we're just going to create a look, and if you want to see what kind of look I'm going to create, just keep on watching. And if you're new here to my channel, hello, my name is Paulina. Thank you for stopping by and let's get started with this video. For my skin, I'm going to use this Innisfree Daily UV Defense Sunscreen. This is one of my favorite sunscreen. It's very lightweight on the skin. It does come out like kind of greenish, but it blends out good. Right now, my skin is super dry with allergies. Oh my god, my nose is like dry. This is one of my favorite sunscreens. It's super lightweight, it's not sticky or oily, and it just blends well with my foundation. And it also feels good on the skin. For primer, I'm going to take this RareBeauty Illuminating Primer. This is one of my favorite primers. I did bought like the mini size one because I wasn't sure if I wanted to get the big one. It does have that kind of like a pearl shade, but it actually blends really good with the skin and foundation. And it hydrates my foundation as well. And it smells good. Today I was feeling a little bit low with energy, and instead of just being there watching Netflix, you know what? I'm just gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna have fun, try new products, and I bought these two products from Ulta from the 21-day Ulta sale, and I love them, and I got them super cheap too because they were like $32 a piece, and they were like only $12 or no, $17, and then I had like a $12 off coupon, so it worked out well. For foundation today, I'm going to use this Nars Soft Matte Foundation, and this is in the Light 5 in Fiji. This is one of my favorite foundation. It is super matte. It's actually a very matte foundation, but it's really good on the skin, and especially if you hydrate your skin very good, it applies good, it blends well, and I only take a little bit of it. So I'm going to apply a little bit here and here, because it is like super full coverage. I'm just going to use a little bit. To blend this foundation out, I'm going to use the It Brushes Cosmetics by Ulta. One of my all-time favorite brushes, and I bought this when it was on sale. I always buy items when they're on sale. I never pay like full price of it. Only if I get really need it, I'll buy it full price, but I'm always looking for that great sale. Look, oh my god, that coverage. The Sephora sale is coming up and I don't know what to purchase. Like I really tend to buy a lot more skincare than actual makeup, but I really want to buy some makeup and some skincare, but I don't know what to actually buy. Oh my god, my nose is so dry with allergies. Ugh, it's the worst time ever right now. For concealer, I'm going to take the RareBeauty concealer, and this is in shade 270N. It is a good concealer and does give you like a nice coverage, and it is not matte. It's a little bit darker, but we'll use it. For eyebrows, I'm going to use the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I am looking for a new eyebrow pencil, something that gives me more like a very natural eyebrow. Because I feel like sometimes this can be a little bit intense for my eyebrows, especially because I don't like pluck my eyebrows. I keep them very natural, and I feel like sometimes they don't look very good. Okay, eyebrows look okay. The moment of truth. I'm super excited to try this products. I've always wanted to buy them, but again, they're super like a little bit expensive, and when I saw they were on sale, I'm like, I need to get them. So I picked up two shades. I picked up the Bondaie Bae shade, and I also picked up the In the Nude. So one is a bronzer and one is more like a blush type of stick, but it also you can use it for your lips. So it's like a multitask product. So the first one I'm going to use is the Bondaie Bae, and I'm going to use this as a bronzer. It's such a pretty color, like a caramel color, really pretty. It does have like a brush at the end, but I'm actually not going to use the brush from this. I feel like it's too small, but I'm just going to use it as a bronzer, and it's such a pretty shade. Like, oh my god, it's so pretty. It's very like caramel, nice tone for a bronzer, so we're going to try it out. I'm going to take this Sephora brush, and this is a Pro Contour brush, number 74, but I'm going to use it as a bronzer, and I'm actually just going to take this on the product itself. Let me see if I do that first. Ooh, you know what? I'm actually going to just do this. Oh god, it looks, oh, it's so pretty. Put this here. It is super creamy. I'm going to put a little bit here just to chisel that jaw. It looks so beautiful. And it blends out very good. It's so natural. It's not heavy on the skin and it feels very natural. I'm gonna add a little bit more. I like how it looks. I'm gonna add a little bit more. And I like to take whatever I have left on my brush on my nose. Ooh, I'm obsessed. I like how it looks on my skin. It looks like I went to the beach without going to the beach necessarily. It looks like I have a nice tan. I really like how it looks. I'm gonna add a little bit because I feel like I just need to intensify it. And I wanted to buy more of these during the sale, but they sold out real quick and I was only able to pick up these 2 shades, which was a bummer because I really wanted to try the other shades as well, but you know, there'll be a next time. Now for blush, I'm gonna go with this In the Nude Nudies as well. It's like a deep coral shade, really pretty as well. So let me swatch it on this side. Oh, look at that. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's a really pretty shade. You could use it as a blush or a lip stain. So we're gonna use it as a blush right now. I'm gonna take it and I'm actually, should I apply it with the brush? I'm gonna take a little bit. I'm just gonna do this. Ooh, it's really pretty. I like how they are easily blended into my skin, and with the foundation, they're really working well together. And I feel like you could keep adding more and more and it doesn't look cakey or messy or anything. So I'm gonna add a little bit more just because I do love blush. Ooh, I really love how the bronzer and blush look well together. Now that we have our cream products on our skin, I'm going to put some powder on. And I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 10 Fair Light. And this is one of my favorite powders. I was introduced to this powder by my friend Claudia. She recommended me this powder and ever since it has become one of my favorite powders. It's so good on the skin. I'm going to grab a little bit of that powder and I'm just going to powder my face with it. Just all over so everything gets settled in. For my eyes today, I'm going to take this Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Shady Biz. And I'm going to use this as eyeshadow today. It's a really nice nude shade. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to use this Morphe E13 brush. And I'm just going to blend this on my eyelid. Then I'm going to take this MAC Warm Neutral palette. From the Warm Neutral palette from MAC, I'm going to take this black shade right here. I'm going to take this black shade and I'm going to use this flat brush. A flat brush that looks like this. And I'm going to stamp it really close to my waterline. And it gives just like a natural effect to the eye. For mascara, I'm going to try this Idole Lash Mascara by Lancome. This one's like a travel size, so I'm going to use this one today. For lips, I'm going to use this In the Nude again, because it is a multitasker. Does not look bad. To add a little bit of glow to my skin, I'm going to take these Meteorites by Gueralin. It's like little rocks, little highlighter rocks. So I'm going to take this. Then with a brush, I'm just going to go inside like this. And I'm just going to apply like on my cheek area. And to add a little bit more glow so my skin doesn't look dry, I'm going to take this Roll Go Skin Mist by Versali. I'm going to take this and apply it all over my face. Haven't used this in a long time, but it's one of my favorite ones and it has 24K gold, so you're very bougie when you wear this. So now I'm just going to let this dry up. Ooh. And this is the completed look. I really like how this look came out. It is very earthy, very warm, very neutral tones. And I really enjoy these Nudies by Nudestix. They're really good. I love the blush. I love the bronzer. Really good. And I love how they look on my lips as well. It's a really good product. I'm happy that these worked out good for me because, like I said, they're really a little expensive and I bought them on sale. So I'm really excited that these worked. I really love how it looks on my skin. I hope you did enjoy this little tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would deeply appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.